boy. Good boy, Coopy. There's lots going on here, isn't there? Isn't there, buddy? Yeah. We're gonna go to the river. You can see it from here. There it is. Oh, the peoples. All the peoples. We might have to wait a bit, bud. Yeah. Cooper. Coop. Coop. Coopy! You want to go to the river? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Yeah, we're going to go to the river. Don't you worry. We just wait for traffic. Clouds. Oh my God. Look at them. They can stop. I don't like the humidity. It's hard on me because I am from Alberta. So I'm not used to the humidity that we got here. It's actually quite bad. For me, it's like it takes the life out of me. But I do love it here. It's just the humidity. We can get rid of that. How can you not like it here, though? Look at that. It's beautiful. This little park we got going on. This is Ducks Unlimited. So it's friendly to bird life. Well, it's supposed to be anyway. So that people can feed the ducks if they want to. There's a docking station for boats and a lot of different like little cute areas where you can like picnic